In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Teams files always open in the desktop app. This is a really handy feature that allows for a smoother workflow, as the desktop app usually offers more functionality than the web version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the first method, which is to change the global settings in the Teams desktop app. This method is great because it applies to all files you open moving forward. To get started, you'll want to ensure that you're using the actual desktop application on your computer. A quick note here. Some settings are unavailable when using the web version, so make sure to open that desktop app. Once you have Teams open, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Next to it, you will see three dots, or an ellipsis. Click on those dots to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you'll find a sidebar. From here, navigate to the section that says Files and Links. Clicking on this will take you to the relevant settings for how files interact with the desktop app. You're looking for something called the File Open Preference drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select the option that says Desktop App. This will ensure that any files will now open directly in the desktop application every time you access them. One of the great things about this change is that it applies automatically. That means you don't need to worry about clicking a Save button or anything like that. You can simply close the Settings menu and your adjustments will be effective immediately. Now let's move on to the second method, which is particularly useful if you want to set a default for a specific file type. Sometimes you may only want certain types of files to open in the desktop app. To begin, locate the file you want to change within your Teams channel or any chat. Once you find the file, right-click on the file name. This will pop up a context menu with various options. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Open. After clicking on that, look for the option that says Change Default. This is where you'll make the decisive move. Click on it and then you will see an option labeled Desktop App. Select this option and it will set that specific file type to always open in its dedicated application from now on. This is an efficient method if you're only looking to adjust a few file types rather than all files in general. By utilizing these two methods, you can streamline your experience in Microsoft Teams significantly. Whether you want all your files to open in the desktop app or just specific types, you can make the adjustments easily. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to tailor your Microsoft Teams experience. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips like these.